Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the AEROFORCE 35-piece 1/2 inch ratchet box with magnetic torch, CRV sockets, and it is inclusive spark plug wrenches, an 1/2 inch reversible ratchet, an extension rod, a ratchet box. It's a tool set which comes on top with an LED beam. That's really cool. Here, the sockets spanner set with the torch. The torch with 3 powerful LED lights. It is 360 degrees flexible telescope, can be extended to 55 centimeters to illuminate and maneuver hard-to-reach areas. It is also designed with strong magnets at both ends for hands-free working under cars or machine gaps in tight spaces. The torch is stored in the outermost side area of the silver part of the box. It can be removed separately. That's cool. That's a smart idea from AEROFORCE. Then we have a durable construction. The ratchet box is made of high quality chrome vanadium steel alloy and offers a stronger toughness and hardness level than tools without that chrome vanadium surface. The ratchet box itself contains 19 pieces of 1/2 inches. Then we have 6 pieces sided sockets from 8mm to 32. Then we have 2 pieces and 1/2 inches spark plug insert. These are 16 and 21mm. And there is a 14mm 3/8 inches spark plug fan insert. So, a 1/2 inch ratchet wrench, 2 pieces of a 1/2 inch extension rod. One is 125mm long and the other 250. An 1/2 inch universal joint and a 1/2 inch sliding T-bar. That's not to drink tea, it's for bigger construction. Then we have a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inches adapter. This is really cool because then you can use your sockets, which comes with a 3/8 inches joint. You can use it. Or, of course, you can use the third spark plug fan too with it. And we have a magnetic flashlight. This magnetic flashlight is to grab dropped screws from the bottom of your pinions, for example, for your car area, whatever. And it also shines you the way to the next mission. The 72-tooth ratchet mechanism rotates in precise 5-degree increments and can withstand a high torque. The fine-toothed lever reversible ratchet with small return angle. That means no wobbling due to the optimal fit. Captive by the fixed connection. The soft rubber handle prevents from slipping and increase our comfort. It is ideal for quick removal and replacement of the threaded fasteners. And it's multi-purpose and portable. This 1/2 inch socket spanner set is perfect for DIY, do-it-yourself, carpentry tools, construction, of course, car repair, truck repair, bike repair, woodworking, and other DIY projects. Thanks to the robust blow modeled toolbox, the sockets are easy to store and easy to transport. The durable interior and finisher keep the tool in place. This is a beautiful, unique tool set for men and women. Oh yeah. This is awesome because you can connect the nuts easily. We have a sturdy and artistic appearance, a stainless steel hand buckles, spark plugs with magnetic joint, and the AEROFORCE is professional tools out there. International quality keeps us consistent. This number here is AE-S32 plus 3. Okay, you know it because it's a 35-piece Dr. Socket set. The good old Dr. Socket here comes with the RV, non-slip, microfinish, 72T, 6PT and 12PT. This is the AEROFORCE or the AEROFORCE 35-piece 1/2 inch ratchet box with magnetic torch on top. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.